sensational arrest and seizure in Bengaluru, the largest of its kind, and obviously the modus operandi which was at play, which allowed this to go undetected for so long?
See, it may be high profile from the media perspective, but let me tell you, hundreds of kg of gold is smuggled into India through various routes. This airport route is one of them. If you look at the scissors made throughout the year, you will find the best or the largest quantity of gold smuggling is being done through Myanmar route. So it comes via Bhutan or Myanmar or Bangladesh. Hundreds of kg. So this is one such case where a high-profile officer's daughter is involved, and that's the reason media could see this happening. But it is happening all over. And Directorate of Revenue Intelligence is doing a commendable job as far as the curbing of this kind of smuggling activities are concerned. But this goes undetected, Udayji. Why so? Because they have their own problems. They have smallest of staff available at their disposal, which is involved into threefold work. A, developing the intelligence. B, investigation of ongoing case. 3, prosecution. And in case preventive detention is foisted upon any such people, any of such accused person, then an officer is deputed or the team is deputed to deal with that preventive detention part. So they are doing very good job. Still, a large portion of gold is undetected, whether it is gold or drugs. They are facing humongous problems. You see, if you look at last month's Seizure, an additional commissioner was arrested by DRI, Chennai. They arrested their own officer. And this is happening all over. DRI has arrested few officers, their own officers, customs officers in Surat. One IG level officer, Mr. Harish Kumar, was arrested in relation to smuggling a few years back. So it is also happening. So when high profile people are involved into it, political back is also being given to the accused persons. We don't forget the name of Swapna Suresh, who is also facing trial in Kerala. But if all this is happening, why there is no serious curb? Why is it not so seriously, dealt with? You investigate, you arrest a person, you impose a penalty. But what is missing is the accused persons are not getting convicted. That's the biggest reason why people are involved into it. They get arrested, they get bail, but they are not prosecuted. This is the most unfortunate part. I've been dealing with one of the cases where 11,000 kilograms gold smuggling was alleged. But what happened is there is no complaint filed by the concerned agency in the court of law. Another case, 2,000 kilograms of gold smuggling. They got hold of 100 kilograms of gold, live gold. Rest is never detected. There is money trail was not detected. And it happens only because of...
What are now the stringent sections which will apply to this case, Ramkant Gaur, going ahead?
One of the section is section 135 of the Customs Act. Only Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs is empowered to investigate the smuggling activities. Now, if they are related to some anti-national activities, then NIA can be brought in. And if NIA is brought in, then UAPA is invoked. So, if the smuggling activities are involved with or interlinked with the terrorist activities, then NIA invokes UAPA. But that happened in a very few of cases. In fact, I got discharged 2 of the accused because NIA could not get the evidence proper in a proper perspective. So that's the most unfortunate proposition out here, is that detection of the cases are there, but prosecution and conviction of these accused persons doesn't happen.
Okay, Sanjay Sahai, former IPS officer, also with us now. Sanjay Sahai,